Hello, and welcome to my home. To get started, I'm going to talk about easy ways to heat and cool your home in a more eco-friendly way. First off, having good insulation and ventilation is an easy way to start. Proper insulation will help you prevent loss of heat or cool air from your home, and maintaining airflow is important when it comes to stopping air from sitting in your roof in poorly ventilated rooms. Keeping all the doors open in your home and installing ceiling fans or just using regular fans placed out around your home is a fast, easy way to keep your home cool throughout the summer. You can also create shade around your home to keep it cool from the sun. Plant large shrubs or trees outside your windows and put awnings on all the south-facing windows. Keeping your home from direct sunlight will mean you use cool heating systems less, save energy, and save money. The lighting in your home can also affect how hot it is in your home. Incandescent bulbs produce lots of heat, so if you replace them with LEDs, there's no heat produced. Now, on to heating. Geothermal heating is one of the most environmentally friendly and efficient ways to heat your home. However, this does require an upfront investment into a geothermal heating system. This type of system uses the constant temperature of the earth to heat your home. A typical heating system uses outside air, wherein the colder the air temperature outside, the more energy is needed to heat up the air inside. The geothermal heating system is actually installed beneath the Earth's surface, where the temperature is higher than the outside air temperature. This means that it takes less energy to get your home up to the temperature you have set on your thermostat. Energy efficient appliances. First off, the fridge. The fridge is the single biggest power consumer in most households. Here are some simple ways to improve its efficiency. You can adjust the temperature settings for different seasons. Check the fridge setting by placing a thermometer in a jar of water and leaving it in overnight, then checking the temperature the next morning. During the winter, freezer space usually goes unused, but your fridge continues to use energy to free this space. You can take empty milk jugs or other plastic containers and fill them with water. Put them outside until they freeze, then place them in the freezer. This will fill the empty space and reduce the area to be kept cold. Also, one large fridge is cheaper and more efficient to run than two smaller ones. Getting rid of an old fridge is one of the largest single contributions you can make to lowering your electric bills and to conserving energy and resources. Next kitchen appliance is the Eco Stove. The Eco Stove uses stones to cook, which are reusable up to 2 years depending on the family size, and it saves a person millions of cooking fuel costs. Some environmental aspects of the EcoStove are: it reduces deforestation, it eliminates soil erosion, it reduces drought food pending insecurity, and it reduces waste management by processing briquettes. It reduces CO2 emissions and greenhouse gases, and it reduces wood consumption and saves hectares of woodland. The EcoStove is also a lot healthier to have in your home. It does not emit black smoke, therefore protecting whoever is using it, the environment, and provides a cleaner and safer cooking area. No more smoke inhalation, therefore no more hospital bills due to smoke inhalation. There are minimum fire accidents due to safe insulation. It is safe, neat, durable, portable, and meets all health and safety laws. When you're looking to model or remodel your home, look to find the Energy Star appliances. Energy Star is an international standard for energy-efficient consumer products. It was made in 1992 by the Environmental Protection Agency and the Department of Energy. It started in the US, but since then, Australia, Canada, Japan, New Zealand, Taiwan, and the European Union have gotten the program. Products with the Energy Star service mark, such as computers, kitchen appliances, buildings, and other products, generally use 20 to 30% less energy than required by federal standards. Low flush toilets. A low flush toilet is a flush toilet that uses significantly less water than a full flush toilet. Low flush toilets use 6 liters or less per flush, as opposed to 13.2 liters, which is what a full flush toilet uses. In an average household with a low flow toilet, they now save 26,538 gallons of water annually when compared to a full flush toilet. Light bulbs. Switching over to the new energy-saving light bulbs known as CFLs are a lot eco-friendlier. CFL stands for Compact Fluorescent Lamp, and these work in a similar manner to traditional fluorescent bulbs. Not only are CFL bulbs as reliable and as traditional bulbs, they are longer lasting and Energy Star qualified CFL bulbs use about 75% less energy than standard incandescent bulbs and last up to 10 times longer, making a big contribution to an energy efficient home. This has a positive effect on household budget and significant savings and reported when the move to eco-friendly bulbs are made. Windows and doors. If I were to change the doors in my home, I'd change them to a product by Ostaco. All of Ostaco's doors are fiberglass, which significantly reduces requirement for wood and in return reduces Ostaco's overall carbon footprint. All of Ostaco's door slabs have a CFC-free polyurethane foam core. CFC stands for chlorofluorocarbon, which is an organic compound that contains carbon, chlorine, and fluorine, produced as a volatile derivative of methane and ethane. The door system maximizes the seal between the door and the frame to keep out the damaging effects of wind and rain and increase energy efficiency, and most of Ostaco's doors are Energy Star rated. When you can, walking and biking to your destinations is always the best and more environmentally friendly way to go. Carpooling is also better than taking your own car somewhere because less gas is being used by putting 4 people in a car rather than 4 people in 4 separate cars. If I could choose any car that's more eco-friendly, I'd choose the electric car Tesla because it runs off of electricity instead of gasoline, therefore it will not be emitting gas fumes into our air. For gardening, try to have plants that don't maintain a lot of watering and that can just live off the natural rainfall. Stay away from the use of pesticides and herbicides. Plant flowers that attract birds and bees so you can have a natural environment for the animals. You're basically better off not even having a lawn. You could create rock gardens with lots of shrubs and trees, and the more trees the better because they create shade.